Hey guys, welcome back to Route 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. They're testing out Rain for the PS3. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card, and today we're gonna have some fun with some emulation once again. That's right, didn't think I'd come back to emulation? Well, I did. I'm here, and who cares? So the i7 is already at 50% on Rain. This is an exclusive, so I expect it to be a bit more demanding, I suppose. Not really. This game, it doesn't seem it seems very low end friendly, but nonetheless. Once again, we're just testing out some emulation on the channel. You know, as I do, I test with RPCS3, Yuzu, and Xenia. If you guys enjoy that type of video and you want to see more, leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out. Are you gonna let me move, or I've never played Rain before, so you're gonna let me move, or chapter 1 I got away from that thing. What an interesting concept Rain was. I remember looking at it and going, huh, what an interesting concept that I probably will never play. Well, I'm playing it now. It seems to compile the shaders quite nicely. It seems okay, squares to run. It seems to got it down pat. I think 30% only. I think like this can be played on integrated graphics as well. You gotta be realistic when it comes to these things. This game isn't demanding at all. It's using over 5 gigs of RAM. I mean, when isn't RPCS3 these days, I suppose. But this could work on integrated graphics. Nice. What's the end goal of this game? He just needs to get somewhere? Like, what's the end goal here? Oh crap, the puddles. I was walking on the puddles. I am a puddle. That's crazy. Once again, though, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Look at me. You can see my feet sticking on the ground. Look at all the posters that I don't care for. Yeah, this, like I said, this isn't very hard to run. You can run this on anything. But yeah, I'm just going to mute myself now because there's not much to talk about. Obviously, the game is running fine. It doesn't happen often where I run into a game that I can run without any issue. This is one of them. So I'm just going to mute myself and just enjoy the rest of the gameplay. But yeah, this looks great.